So how does a TikTok account with 1,000 followers earn $18,000 in commission in 7 days as a TikTok Shop affiliate? If you watch this video all the way up until the end, you're going to find out who that creator is, what video they used, what they said in the video, and what product they promoted. Let's not waste any further time. Let's jump straight into my screen. My name is Victor and welcome to CreatorBug, where we help you create content, ditch your 9 to 5 and live the life that you want. It's one weird question from me. I am a coffee man. Do you prefer coffee or do you prefer tea? Comment down below so I can check how many people are similar to me. Okay, so here is how I found the creator. I've used this really useful data analysis tool called Kalo Data. I've left a link in the description. This is arguably the best tool out there to analyze TikTok Shop data in order to make informed decisions. So you can know what to sell, know what's trending, know who's selling what in the last 7 days, what shops are performing the best, what creators are making the most money, and make an informed decision whether you're a TikTok Shop affiliate or whether you're a shop that's new, that's looking to work out what creators to work with, what to sell, doing research and understanding what's selling the most and what's making the most money. Again, I've left the link in the description if you want to follow along. They do a free trial, and if you use my link, you can also get an additional 10% once you decide to sign up if you are serious about making money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So how did I find the creator? So I went onto Kalo Data, which is where I am right now, and I looked at top creators. As you can see, there's various different data they provide in terms of leaderboards, top creators, top shops, top videos, top live streams, etc. So I went into top creators, and from there I discovered this creator right here. Now there's a couple of things that you will notice with, and a little bit later on we're going to talk about the 18,000 that they made in 7 days, how they made it, what video made it, what product they were promoting, and so forth. But what I want you to notice first of all, this is obviously their username here that Kalo Data shows you. Now it's also got stuff like willing to contact here. So if you're a shop and you're wondering whether they are willing to work with shops, it does say willing to contact here. It also gives you their TikTok profile page name, which is right there, TT Shop Faves. Now the incredible thing we can see here is that she has just over 1,000 followers. She is already promoting products on TikTok Shop, and she is based in the United States as well. As you can see, this is the US version of Kalo Data. How on earth has she got the ability to promote products as a TikTok Shop affiliate even though she's only got 1,000 followers? Because we know for a fact that you need to have at least 5,000 followers in order to qualify as a TikTok Shop affiliate in the United States. Quite simple. The way she did it is she signed up as a TikTok Shop. So rather than signing up for a TikTok affiliate account, she signed up for a TikTok seller account. She became a TikTok seller, and once she did that, TikTok gave her from zero, from even having no followers, all the tools she needs in order to promote products as a TikTok Shop affiliate as well. So by doing that, you get not only the seller tools for you to start your own shop, but you also get the TikTok Shop affiliate tools. So when you see people that are making a ton of money on TikTok and that TikTok is promoting, even though they've got less than 5,000 followers in the US, that is what they do. And also, as you can see, she's driving quite a lot of revenue. TikTok is not suppressing her views by any means. So if you're hearing rumors that TikTok is suppressing views, canceling accounts that are TikTok Shop affiliates, even though they've signed up as shops, etc., this is evidence to show that TikTok is pushing this creator more than ever, even though she clearly has under the required amount of followers for the TikTok Shop affiliate program in the US. She's noticed that this account only started on the 13th of February 2024. If you click onto the username on TikTok, it'll take you straight onto their profile, which is here. So you can go and visit it and check it out for yourself if you want. And as you can see, she's got 1,400 followers. Not a lot of likes, but she's already got quite a few videos that have gone viral that have linked to the amount of revenue that she's made there. This one here, for example, that's got 4.3 million views. I have no question in my mind that's contributed to how much money she has made. So in essence, that's who the creator is. Now we're going to delve into these core metrics here as well. They are tied to the $18,000 that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. But for now, we're going to have a look at what product it is that she promoted to make the amount that I mentioned. So the product she promoted here, as you can see, this is what's made her the biggest chunk of the revenue that she's made. She's promoting different products, but this one right here, I think it's makeup. I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but it's something to do with makeup. In the last 7 days alone, and we know that that was in 7 days because that's the dates that are filtered here, she's generated 181,000 in revenue from that product, and she had 3.37 million views. Now these views right here are just in the last 7 days. So if you're seeing that and then going back to the account and seeing that, well, actually she might have had 4.3 million views, for example, that is because that's just the last 7 days. That's not everything. So she's obviously got more views than what you can see here. Now that is the product that she promoted. As you can see, the price is there as well. It's $39. When we take a look exactly at what video it is that she did that allowed her to generate that much, straight away there you can see that it was 32 seconds long. And if I click into that, that will take me into the video. So that'll be this page right here. Now this is a little bit crazy here. So this is the page with the video. Now Kalo Data allows you to get a bunch of useful information that you can use in order to learn from this case study and see if you can replicate similar results. So for example, you can see what tags she used in the video. So these are the same hashtags that she's putting here on TikTok when she uploads the video. You can see when the video was published. You can see how long the video is, 32 seconds. There's a link to the actual video on TikTok here that you can click on that will literally take you to the video that she made on TikTok. We can see here that there were no adverts that were used, so there was no advertising that was used for that video. All of that was driven by organic traffic. If there was any advertising that was done by the creator or the shop, this is where it would show. And it's just a bit more information about her as a creator as well. Now the crazy part about Kalo Data is it allows you to also download the script from the video. So if I click on that, that allows me to export the download. So you can see it's downloading there. You've got different parts of that, and if I go into AI Optimize, I can also ask it to do a couple of things for me. You can see the breakdown of the video here. It's not long, it's only just literally a few words. But if I want, for example, the AI to optimize it into a hook, body and CTA, which is generally how TikTok videos are broken down, I can just go into AI Optimize here, and I did that earlier. As you can see, it's already coming up with the hook, body and call to action that she used in this video in order to generate that amount of money. So we can see the words there. I'm not going to read everything, but essentially I'm not allowed to make this video, but here's what Alta doesn't want you to know. And then she goes on. That's the hook that gets people in that she used. And then she compares prices overall there. She says normal price for this is that much, normal price is that much, normal price is that much, altogether it's going to cost you that much. So she gives a higher amount, and then she goes back and says, but on TikTok shop there's a deal running where you can get it for this much. And she also goes on to say these products are popular for a reason and the deal is not going to last long. So she adds some urgency. And we also take a look at the last part there, which has got a call to action. You can see she says, don't miss out on this amazing deal. Grab them before they're gone. TikTok shop is offering all 3 viral products at a discounted price. So she's saying that instead of the normal £75, you're going to pay £40 for them. And she adds some urgency to it. So you can essentially do all of this with Kalo Data. And these are literally videos that have not only driven millions of views, but they've also driven hundreds of thousands in some cases in revenue. Now, when we talk about how they made the commission that I mentioned at the beginning part of the video, which is absolutely nuts for an account that's only got 1K followers, we can easily just go back and look at the total revenue that they've driven here. This revenue is what the total is after people have clicked on their link and purchased products on their account. So this is what's essentially been bought from the shops, and you know that the way TikTok Shop Affiliate works is you get paid a percentage of that revenue as commission. The $18,000 I mentioned at the beginning was based on a 10% commission. However, 10% is the minimum that TikTok shops will offer you for selling their products. So it's very, very, very likely that she earned much more than that in the last 7 days. But this is me saying if she earned 10% of the revenue that she drove in the last 7 days, she got 18,000. So 10% of that essentially. But it's very likely that she could have gotten 20%. So 36,000 in revenue, or 30% or 40% or even 50% sometimes. And shops do have a habit on TikTok shop. When they see your video is going viral and they're getting more and more orders, they do have a habit of raising the commission so that they keep getting more sales, you keep getting inspired, you keep making more money, and they keep making more money. It's absolutely nuts how TikTok Shop is making small creators rich in 2024 if you're willing to put in the work and if you're willing to put your face out there and start promoting products as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Nothing at all spent on advertising, nothing at all spent to push the account as a whole. All the creator would have spent at the most is money to purchase the product that she was promoting, or she could have even gotten it as a free sample from the shop. So it's likely that she might have not even spent any money towards that, which is absolutely bananas. But